You can never go wrong with this pancake recipe. It has been tried and tested. Welcome back, my lovely family. I will talk you through how to make very fluffy, yummy pancakes all the time. You can drizzle some honey, maple syrup on it, or have it with your favorite fruit, tea, or even enjoy it alone. It's very easy to put together and with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. So let's begin. We start off by mixing the wet ingredients. The exact measurement will be listed in the description. To your milk, you would add egg, melted butter. You can also use margarine or any cooking oil. Mix to combine, and then to your mixture you'd add sugar. Mix again to combine thoroughly, and then we'll add in some vanilla. This is optional. After mixing the wet ingredients properly, we sift in our dry ingredients, and they are salt, flour, baking powder, and cinnamon, which takes your pancake mix to the next level. Mix everything properly to combine, ensuring that there are no lumps. And then, your batter is ready. You will need a non-stick pan to cook your pancake, and with it, you do not need to add extra oil or butter. However, you can also cook this on any other pan, but you have to grease the pan with butter or oil for easy removal of pancakes after they are fully cooked. The pancakes are ready to flip over to the other side when the bubbles start appearing. My heat was too high and I almost burnt my first pancake. I had to reduce the heat to cook the rest. I cooked them on low heat. The end result is a very fluffy, yummy pancake that you will crave to have over and over again. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Do take care of yourself and bye.